In this video, we're going to be looking at side bends. So holding a dumbbell or a kettlebell in one hand and bending to the side. Now, the key to this exercise is to not allow your torso to just laterally flex and just put all the pressure on the vertebrae. We want to load the muscles, specifically the obliques and the QLs. So we bend to the side, feel the muscles stretch, contract them to bring us back up to that neutral position. Now, we can go directly to the side, or we can bring it slightly to the front, which is going to work the QLs a little bit harder. So let's have a look at the exercise. Engage the core musculature to stand up tall. From there, feel the muscles stretch before contracting. Making sure that we're not just loading the vertebrae, the muscles are doing all the work. To emphasize the back a little bit more, we can come to the front a little bit, which is going to load the QLs and the erectors.